Biggest thing for me is that I have not put any drapes or any blinds up, and I felt comfortable that the sun can come in and it's not going to bleach all my carpets and furniture, and I've been able to see around our beautiful property. The house is doing what it was meant to do.
I have to say that the crew working here were fantastic. They were here for a week. On any given day there was probably 3 or 4 people working. And the last day they were here, on the Friday, my wife and I had to be in Vancouver, so we weren't actually around. They worked all day Friday without us being around, closed up everything when they left on Friday. So when we returned home on Saturday, everything was completed. Everything was locked up, everything was as it should be. We could trust them to do that because they were such a good bunch of guys.
Respectful. They didn't have blaring music, as can happen when we've had workmen before doing the things on the house. They couldn't have been more approachable, easy to talk to. No, we were very happy all the way through.
We'd already interviewed a couple of other companies, but far and away Centra's presentation was the best.
Drive up the driveway, I stopped part way up just to sit there and look at them, and quite honestly I pinched myself because after waiting so long I can't believe it's really happened.